Choose from a variety of our professionally designed website templates as starting points to create a site that best presents your style, brand, and vision to the world. No matter what design you choose, your site will have the same fonts, color, and styling options as other designs. First, take a look at how some of your favorite sites are using image placements, spacing, fonts, and colors to draw visitors in. Next, navigate to squarespace.com and get started. Once there, you can narrow your selection and find a starting point personalized to your needs. Select on any design to see its demo site before starting your free trial. Each demo site uses sample content to show an example layout and provide inspiration for your design. Once you select a site, start customizing each page with your own personal content and flair. Navigate to Site Styles panel to change the font, color, animation, spacing, and more. Add new pages, selecting from a variety of pre-built layouts, and customize each section by freely moving, layering, and resizing blocks using Fluid Engine. When you make all the changes to your liking, hit Save. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.